unveiling okra's astonishing health benefits. Prepare to be amazed. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. Unveiling the magic of okra reveals its transformative health benefits. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, okra supports digestive health, enhances immunity, and promotes overall well-being with every bite. From improving vision with its high vitamin A content to aiding digestion through its dietary fiber, okra's comprehensive benefits are undeniable. It's a powerhouse vegetable that supports bodily functions from head to toe. Okra's role in combating diabetes is remarkable. Its low glycemic index and rich fiber content help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a secret weapon for those managing the condition. Nutritionists are raving about okra for good reasons. Its nutrient-dense profile, including antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, addresses a wide range of health issues, making it a must-have in any diet. The impact of okra on heart health and cholesterol levels is surprising yet significant. By aiding in the reduction of bad cholesterol and supporting heart function, okra proves itself as a heart-healthy vegetable. Okra, often overlooked in the vegetable aisle, is making waves as a natural detoxifier. Its high fiber content aids in flushing toxins from the body, promoting a cleaner, healthier system. Its unique blend of vitamins and minerals supports the liver, the body's primary detox organ, ensuring it functions at its peak. Beyond detoxification, okra is proving to be a mighty ally against osteoporosis. The vegetable is rich in vitamins K and C, which are crucial for bone health. These nutrients work together to strengthen bones, enhancing their density and reducing the risk of fractures. Regular consumption of okra could be a simple yet effective strategy in maintaining bone health. Okra's benefits extend to the skin, where it acts as a natural beautifier. Its high antioxidant content fights off free radicals, which are responsible for aging and skin dullness. The result is radiant, youthful skin that glows from within. This vegetable is becoming a staple in diets focused on natural skin health and radiance. For those looking to shed extra pounds, okra might be the untold secret. Its low calorie count, coupled with high fiber content, makes it an ideal food for weight loss. It promotes a feeling of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. Incorporating okra into meals could be the turning point in one's weight loss journey. The anti-cancer properties of okra are gaining attention in the health community. Its high antioxidant levels not only support skin health, but also protect cells from mutations that lead to cancer. Research is ongoing, but early findings suggest okra could be a powerful food in the fight against various types of cancer. Boosting brain health with okra is gaining attention for its rich content in antioxidants. These compounds help in protecting neural cells from damage, thus enhancing cognitive functions and memory retention. Okra is not just a vegetable, it's a superfood that's sadly overlooked. Its high fiber content aids in digestion, making it an indispensable ally for gut health. Regular consumption can lead to a healthier digestive system, paving the way for improved overall health. When it comes to managing stress and enhancing mood, okra might seem like an unlikely hero. Yet, its magnesium and folate content can play a crucial role in combating stress and promoting a sense of well-being. The benefits of okra for eye health are often surprising to many. This vegetable is a rich source of vitamin A and beta-carotene, which are vital for maintaining good vision and preventing eye diseases. Okra's impact on the immune system is profound. It's packed with vitamin C and other essential nutrients that strengthen the body's defenses against various diseases. Incorporating okra into your diet can be a game changer in boosting your immunity. The magic of okra extends to improving blood circulation, thanks to its vitamin K and flavonoids. These nutrients work together to strengthen blood vessels and reduce clotting, ensuring a smooth flow throughout the body. For those struggling with respiratory problems, okra comes as a breath of fresh air. Its mucilaginous content helps in soothing the respiratory tract, facilitating easier breathing and providing relief from congestion. Balancing hormones naturally is another remarkable benefit of okra. Its rich profile of vitamins and minerals supports the endocrine system, ensuring that hormones are produced and regulated efficiently, keeping bodily functions in harmony. Tackling fatigue has never been easier with okra. Its high magnesium content plays a crucial role in energy production, helping to reduce tiredness and boost energy levels, making you feel rejuvenated and active. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.